Alright, first thing, just a reminder, hopefully you saw the note in the invoice for this month that I'm going to be out of town next week. So we'll meet again in 2 weeks. So with the video stuff, the first one you did, not a bad idea. Keep working on that one. There's a lot of rushing playing that rhythm. So instead of going up in 5s, probably better to go up in 2s and play along with Guitar Pro a bit there as well. So the rhythm up on screen right now is a long one, and done this way on purpose because we have the 2 weeks. So I'm not expecting you to get this one very fast at all. Part of why it's longer is to kind of make sure you're not going to a point where you start losing the rhythm, losing the beat there. So there's a couple things we can do here. This is going to be like the main thing to work on. Again, we got 2 weeks, so break up your time as much as you need to, so you're not getting burnt out on it. So working on this, still, like 10 to 15 minutes a day would be totally fine with it. And no, you're not going to get that fast, but that's fine. We're not trying to go, although we are always trying to go as fast as we can, it's still about like being as accurate as you can. And you start off by being accurate at 60, and then you try and be just as accurate at 65, and then you try and be just as accurate at 70. So we're always chasing accuracy. We're just trying to be accurate a little bit faster. We're trying to be accurate just a little bit faster each time. So maybe for the first week, work on going up by 5s. The second week, go up by 10s. See how that goes. Definitely work with Guitar Pro as well to help you get the chord progression memorized. And I'm trying to think if there's anything else I want to say about it, but I can't think of anything. So let's play it. So here we go. Middle 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And I'll play it twice as fast. Alright, 120, 1, 2, 3, 4. Try 150. This strumming pattern is pretty difficult to get going fast, so something to keep in mind when you're doing it. 150. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. my arm's starting to get fatigued during that one. So, another thing to remember, just because I'm hitting different speeds on these videos, it doesn't mean I'm expecting you to hit the same ones. I just want to have enough speeds demonstrated so you have, you know, things to reference. Like if you do get up to those kind of speeds, you know, you can play along. Make sure that what you do is lined up with what I'm doing. Alright, so you sound like you got the go up one scale, down the next scale. Got that memorized. That's good. So, got two other ways of combining the scales. So, this way you have enough stuff to work on during these 2 weeks. Make some adjustments here. Oops, I didn't want to click that. Okay, so this one, you'll want to work on memorizing this before you attempt the next one here. So number 3 is, that's for after getting number 2 memorized. So basically going up one scale, down the next, but we're just doing the bottom 3 strings. So this is one thing, and this is another thing. So again, up one scale, down the other, or down the next, on just the bottom 3 strings, and then same idea, up one scale, down the next, on the top 3 strings. So this is what it sounds like. That is not what it sounds like. I missed a note. Take 2. Second half. All right. Once you get that down, in here, we're going just up the scales 2 strings at a time. Adjust this a little bit. Okay. So yes, going 2 strings at a time. So that's one thing. That's its own thing. This is also its own thing. So, top line is what we have. Second line. Third line. Alright. So, any questions, let me know. I'll be taking off Tuesday. So, yeah, just send any questions you have over by then. I'll be able to get back to you. I will see you again in 2 weeks.